thump noise from the rear when taking off from a stop, as customers complained on this vehicle. Now me and another gentleman have driven it a couple times and kind of feel it was maybe more in the front. The front rear differential fluids are good. Transfer case fluid was good, but if there's any kind of clutches in there, they can sometimes bind and cause problems. In our drive, we thought it was something binding, not so much a bounce. The problem seems to be, and he hasn't changed the tires yet, but three tires are 265/60 R18. However, the driver's side is not. Someone made a mistake. So this tire is in fact about 1 inch taller. Just to do the simple terms, it's measured at 1 inch taller. So clutches, computers, reading speeds may or may not like that too much, causing problems. So we believe it's going to be fixed when we get all new tires that are all the same on the vehicle. 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee.